Dear students, today we are going to start chapter 9, some application of trigonometry. As we have done chapter trigonometry, so application of that chapter we have to use here. Let us consider the questions of height and distance. So here, let us suppose it is a tree at a certain height and one person is standing here, AB, and it is a tree, let it be PQ. When this person observe the tip of this top of this tree, then there is one line between the eye of the observer and the object, that is top of the tree. This line formed between A and this point B, that is eye of the observer and the object. ये जो लाइन है इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? लाइन ऑफ साइट. So it is the line of sight, that is AP. उसके बाद अगर हम ये वाले ऑब्जर्वर जो है P के साथ कितना एंगल बना रहा है उसको चेक करते हैं. सेकेंड टर्म इज एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन क्या होता है? ये जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है और लाइन ऑफ साइट, इनके बीच में जो एंगल बनता है. तो यहाँ पे लाइन ऑफ साइट AP है आपके पास. हम यहाँ से एक इमेजिनरी लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे विच इज पैरेलल टू हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. इट इज द हाइट ऑफ द पर्सन. इतनी इतनी यहाँ से P and R is equal to height of the person. Now this angle θ1 between the eye of the observer and this object, ये लाइन ऑफ साइट हो गई, एंड द हॉरिजॉन्टल, इनके बीच में जो एंगल बनता है उसको हम बोलते हैं एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. अब इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन क्या है कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से ऊपर होनी चाहिए. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से नीचे है, सपोज हियर one person is sitting at the top of a building and here is the road and he is observing a car on the road. He is a person and he is observing a car on the road. Now the line between P and C, line between the observer and the object, this is the line of sight. And here if we join this horizontal line, it is the horizontal line. Now here the object is below the horizontal line, नीचे की तरफ है, उसको जब देखना है तो वो नीचे की तरफ देखना है. Now what will be the angle? एंगल जो है horizontal line हम यहाँ से बनाएंगे. We will draw a line parallel to the horizontal line passing through the observer's eye. यहां से हमने इस लाइन के पैरेलल ये वाली लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी. नाउ ये जो एंगल है बिटवीन ये वाला जो एंगल है between line of sight and the horizontal line, let it be θ2. So here θ2 is the angle of depression. नीचे की तरफ जब देखना है तो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, ऊपर की तरफ देखना है तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. क्लियर? तो ये दोनों में डिफरेंस है. Now in the same figure, if you want to observe, Suppose the person sitting in the car, he is observing this person P. So for that person, this angle will be angle of elevation, क्योंकि वो पर्सन नीचे है और ये ऊपर है, he is watching above, तो उसके लिए θ3 क्या हो जाएगा, angle of elevation. Now in this figure you can see angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. Why? Because these are the two parallel lines, दोनों horizontal lines हैं, तो ये parallel lines हुई. If these are parallel, then these alternate angles will be equal. So in the second figure, θ2 is equal to θ3. Why? Horizontal lines हैं और इनके बीच के ये जो एंगल बन रहे हैं कौन से हैं, alternate angles हैं. Clear? These are alternate interior angles, you can say, made by the parallel lines. So we can see here in the same figure, angle of elevation θ2 is the angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. So by using these basics, we have to calculate the problems, solve the questions. So here definition of line of sight. It is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Then angle of elevation. Definition of that. Angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. Here point is above the horizontal level and this is the line of sight. Theta is the angle of elevation. Similarly, we can say angle of depression of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight. This is the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being observed is below. Here is the observer's eye and here is the object. Object is below and this is the horizontal plane. So here theta is the angle of depression and it is the line of sight. Now read question number 1 from your book and try to understand how to find the solution. In this question you are given AB as the pole. A rope is tied, AC is the length of the rope and it is given it is 20 meters. Angle made by the rope with the horizontal direction is 30 degree. So here theta or you can say angle C is 30 degree. What do you have to find? AB, that is height of the pole. So here angle C is 30 degree already given to you. Now use T ratios here. You don't know the value of BC. कौन सी रेशियो है जिसमें हम अब ये फाइंड आउट करना है AB and we know the hypotenuse. According to this angle 30 degree, AB is the perpendicular angle opposite to the given angle. A given angle के side opposite to the given angle. तो AB यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Perpendicular. तो कौन सा ऐसा फॉर्मूला है जिसमें हम perpendicular और hypotenuse को यूज करते हैं? That is sine of theta. So here sine 30 degree is equal to, this is perpendicular, that is AB over hypotenuse is 20 meters, that is AC, which implies you know the value of sine 30 degree, it is 1 over 2 is equal to AB over value of AC is 20 meters. So from here we can say AB is equal to 20 meters over 2. After cutting it will be AB is equal to 10 meter. So you are asked height of the pole. So height of pole is 10 meter. Now question number 2. According to statement here given, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये ट्री है, we have taken let AB be the height of the tree and AC this is the broken part, और जब ये नीचे गिरेगा this part A will coincide with D. So let D be the point where this part touches the ground, and here angle you are given, it is 30 degree. Top touches the ground and this angle is 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. This is the foot of the tree B and this is the part which touches the ground, and distance BD, it is equal to 8 meter, angle D is 30 degree. Find the height of the tree. अब हमें इस क्वेश्चन में हाइट ऑफ ट्री फाइंड आउट करनी है, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू फाइंड CD separately and BC separately and then we will add these. Height of the tree we have to find AB. AB is equal to CD plus BC. It means हमें CD को भी फाइंड आउट करना है और BD भी फाइंड आउट करना है. क्लियर? सो सबसे पहले हम ट्राइंगल कंसीडर करेंगे. ये ग्राउंड लेवल है, हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल है और ट्री इज वर्टिकल, तो ये एंगल बी क्या हुआ, राइट एंगल. सो हियर एंगल बी इज 90 degree. Now the triangle BCD is right angle triangle. Now in this triangle आपको बेस पता है, this angle you know, एंगल की ऑपोजिट साइड क्या होती है, perpendicular. So we have to use the formula tangent of theta perpendicular over base because we don't know hypotenuse. तो हम यहाँ पे sin theta का formula choose नहीं कर सकते, हमें इन दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं पता. So here we know tangent of theta is equal to perpendicular over base, and in this question tangent of theta, that is tangent of 30 degree is equal to how much, perpendicular BC जो हमें नहीं पता है over base BD, it is 8 meter. Tangent 30 value of that is 1 over under root 3 is equal to BC over 8 meter. So here 8 meter into 1, 8 meter over under root 3 is the value of BC. So here we have found the value of BC. Later on we have to see whether we are to rationalize this or at the end we have to rationalize. Let it be number 1. Second value we have to find is the value of this hypotenuse. Now again think over, hypotenuse you have to find, बेस you are given. कौन सा ऐसा फॉर्मूला है जिसमें हम यूज करते हैं बेस एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज, सो दैट इज cos of 30 degree. Again here cos of 30 degree is equal to base BD over hypotenuse here CD और DC, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप. क्लियर? बेस कैसे पता चला, एंगल की जो एडजेसेंट साइड है, जो अपोजिट होती है वो परपेंडिकुलर. Now the value of cos of 30 degree is under root 3 over 2 is equal to BD, you know it is 8 meter over CD. So we can say CD is equal to 8 into 2, 16 over under root 3 meter. Let it be number 2. Now you see here in the denominator under root 3, here also under root 3. We can easily add these and then we can rationalize this. Now, the height of the tree is AB. AB is equal to, here you can say it is equal to AC plus BC. Now, as this AC and CD both are equal, क्योंकि ट्री का जो पार्ट यहाँ पे गिरा है वो ऐसे गिरा है, यहाँ से like this, और ये लेंथ जो है और ये लेंथ both will be equal, which implies we can substitute the value of CD as AC. So here AB is equal to AC plus BC, but we say AC is equal to CD plus BC. Here you can give the reason, because AC is equal to CD. Both the line segments are equal here. So AB is equal to CD plus BC. 16 over under root 3 plus 8 over under root 3. Both the values will be in meters. LCM under root 3, 8, 16 plus 8, 24. Now here denominator is irrational number. We have to rationalize it by multiplying with under root 3. So it will be 24 over 3 into under root 3. All these will be in meter. So it will be 8 under root 3 meter. So therefore, height of the tree is 8 under root 3 meter. So here, question number 5. Again, read the statement. You are given a kite is flying above the ground. Let Ka is the height of the kite. It is given that it is 60 meter. Kite is above the ground 60 meter. And Kb is the string without any slack. इसमें कोई twist नहीं है, बिल्कुल straight है the string Kb. And the angle of inclination. Inclination जो है ये वाला. Inclination of string with the ground. ये वाली inclination कितनी है? 60 degree. You have to find the length of the string K to B. ये वाली length आपको find out करनी है. Again here, height, and it is the horizontal level. It means here angle A is 90 degree. Okay, so we can say triangle ABK is right angle triangle. To find this value, consider this angle. Angle के opposite side क्या हो गई आपके पास? Perpendicular. We know the perpendicular and we have to find the hypotenuse. So which formula will be applicable where perpendicular and hypotenuse both are required? So it is sine of theta. So here angle is B. We can say here sine B is equal to perpendicular is Ka over hypotenuse is Kb. सबको पता है ना साइन ऑफ थीटा क्या होता है? It is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So sine of angle B is 60 degree is equal to Ka, which is 60 meter over Kb. So value of Kb is 60 meter over sine of 60 degree. So it will be 60 meter and sine of 60 degree is under root 3 over 2. Now again in the denominator it is under root 3. So we have to rationalize this. 60 into 2 over under root 3 multiply by under root 3 and divide by under root 3. So it will become 60 into 2 over 3 under root 3. Cutting करके it will be 40 under root 3 meter. So here length of the spring you are asked. So therefore length of spring is 40 under root 3 meter. Now question number 7. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. तो इसमें ये building हो गई AB. Height of the building is 20 meter. AB it is given to you. Height of the tower is, this one is the tower AC. ये आपको height find out करनी है. Angle of elevation of bottom of the tower. This is the bottom of the tower. यहाँ से इसका angle of elevation, this angle is 45 degree. आपके पास ये वाला angle ADB is 45 degree. Clear? And angle of elevation of top of the tower. ये वाला top of tower है, ground level ये है. यहाँ से जब हम angle of elevation देखेंगे, this angle is this one, 60 degree. Clear? So here angle BDC is 60 degree. These two angles of elevation you are given. You have to find the height of the tower. ये वाली height find out करनी है. So how we will start here? Observe the figure carefully. In this smaller triangle ADB, what is there? Angle B is 90 degree. क्योंकि जो building है that is perpendicular to the ground. ये 90 degree हो गया. Building के ऊपर tower है और A is the bottom of the tower. यहाँ से एंगल आपके पास कितना है 45 डिग्री. अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखो, दिस फिगर इज लाइक दिस. ये वाला पॉइंट B हो गया, दिस पॉइंट A एंड B, दिस वैल्यू इज 20 मीटर. आपको अगर ये एंगल 45 पता है, वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट दिस बेस. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे लिए AD की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना यूजलेस है. दैट विल नॉट बी यूज्ड फॉर द सेकंड ट्रायंगल. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? BD. और BD कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? इन द ट्रायंगल ABD, what will be there? We don't know the base and it is perpendicular. So base over perpendicular cot theta, or you can use the formula of tangent of theta. So here theta is 45 degree. Tangent of 45 degree is, क्योंकि हमें height पता है, यहाँ पे base find out करना है. So tangent of 45 here, it will be AB, that is perpendicular over base BD. Tangent 45 is 1 is equal to value of AB is 20 meter over BD. So from here we can say BD is equal to 20 meter और BD क्या है? It is the base. ये आपको मिल गया. Now we have to find AC. अकेली AC हम find out नहीं कर सकते. We have to find the relation between BC and this BD. BD हमें पता चल गया. We have to use this value of BD in the bigger triangle. Now in bigger triangle, if you observe this triangle B, this point is B, it is C and it is D. So what will be there? This angle is 60 degree BD और ये वाला angle सारा कितना है 60 degree. So we can easily find out BC क्योंकि BD की वैल्यू हमें कितनी मिल गई 20 मीटर. So here in triangle BDC, bigger triangle BDC, what will be there? You know the BD, that is base. Now it is 20 meter. So relation कौन सी use करोगे? Perpendicular, again perpendicular over base, tangent of 60 degree. Tangent of 60 degree is equal to, here perpendicular is BC over base BD. You know the value of tangent 60 under root 3 is equal to, BC is the combination of, it is the sum of AC plus AB over BD, that is 20 meter. So here under root 3 is equal to AC plus 20 meter over BD also 20 meter. So 20 meter will be multiplied, 20 under root 3 is equal to AC plus 20, 20 under root 3 minus 20 is equal to AC, which implies 20 common under root 3 minus 1 is equal to AC. Now what will be the units? It will be in meters. So AC is equal to 20 in the bracket under root 3 minus 1 meter, because all these values are in meter. You can add the answer here because we are not given the value of under root 3. Sometime in the question we are given the value, use under root 3 is equal to this. In that case we have to put the value of under root 3 and find out the complete solution.